This is a 28-day journey towards self-transformation, and this quest is built like a step-by-step manual for astral projection. There will be some theory to lay a firm foundation, but it will mainly be practical exercises. It's a bit like going to a yoga class, except instead of flying with the body, we're flying with the psyche. Some say the soul. To do this, we focus on 3 steps. Step 1. The first is the mind awake, body asleep state. This is a type of altered state similar to deep trance, when the mind is awake and aware, but the body is completely relaxed until we cannot feel it anymore. This is like our flight pad, from which we'll springboard into astral projection. Step 2. This is the vibrational state. This is a transitory precursor experience which occurs just before we leave the body. It can be filled with unusual sights and sensations such as energy and light. It can be very subtle to pretty intense, but either way, it's completely safe. It's sort of like the wind picking us up before we take flight. Step 3. The third step is exiting the body. Now, I don't like using the word exit because it suggests that we're completely leaving, which isn't necessarily true, because an aspect of our consciousness, our awareness, stays behind. It's this that keeps the lungs breathing and the heart beating, and it brings you back immediately if your body gets disturbed or distracted, such as when you need to go to the toilet. However, it does very much feel like a separation or an expansion beyond the body when we astral project. So, for the sake of ease, I'll refer to exit techniques in step 3. We can practice astral projection through deep meditation and powerful trance states. But one of the best ways, especially for beginners, is on the cusp of sleep, because most spontaneous experiences occur at this time, and it's easier to harness because we all sleep, right? Of course, you can apply almost everything that we learn to other deep altered states. So don't think that astral travel can only happen via sleep states, but it is one of the quickest ways to learn the skill. That's why this quest does just that. So we're going to do this by using our nighttime and daytime techniques to prepare the body and mind, some of which work with cultivating qualities that improve the ability to astral project, such as sustaining attention. Others are directly involved with leaving the body or traveling the astral planes. How well these techniques work depend on our personal psycho-spiritual makeup, what type of person we are, and where we're at in our spiritual journey. For example, if we're a very perceptive person, the visual methods might work better for you. Or if we're very felt sense, the kinesthetic ones might give you more success. This is why you will be given a toolbox of techniques related to the 3 steps, so you can create a bespoke practice personal to you. It will be a case of trial and error as you begin to discover what type of astral projector you are. That's the fun part though, trying all the sweets in the shop and then pick and mix your favorites. Just like in yoga, the teacher can't give you a handstand balance, but they can give you the skill and the wisdom to do it yourself. In the same way, I can't give you an out-of-body experience, but can I give you the tools and techniques to build this skill to self-induce your own experiences? Absolutely. I'll teach you how to transform your world from the edge of your bed.